Hi everyone, I'm here today to announce my latest video series, which is called 30 Days of Starting Up. And for those of you who don't know, my co-author Jen Kramer and I are just about to launch our book, which is called Before You Code. And it's about validating your idea before you go out and build it. And so it's really focused on people who have a new idea or just becoming entrepreneurs or startups. And I'd love to talk to you over the next 30 days about what it means to be starting up and some of the ideas and central themes of our book so that you get a sense of, if you're just starting out, what you should be doing. And the first thing I want to talk about today is the feature list. And a lot of entrepreneurs that I've met and a lot of people that I know, they have this wonderful idea. They say, yes, this is the idea. I'm going to be the next Facebook or Snapchat or Google or whomever they've envisioned as a really successful product. And they say, this idea is top notch and not a lot of people are doing it, and I'm just going to nail it in the marketplace with my vision. And then they go and they hire a developer and they make a feature list and they build it. And as you probably know, the end of this story, people don't come. There's no Field of Dreams and no James Earl Jones telling us from some other place to go and build this product. If you build a feature list after having an idea, you don't always have the success that you want, and you don't always know why you don't have the success that you want. And so the whole premise of the book and the whole premise of being a startup that's really successful is not going right from idea to feature list and not going right into coding it, but actually taking the time to understand all the other pieces at play. So maybe you did a little bit of market research to see if anybody is doing this exact thing. But if you just stop there, that's not really enough. And if you haven't thought about the audience who needs this beyond, oh, well, I would use this, that's not enough. And so over the next 30 days, what we'll do is we'll talk about the different things you can do and the different ways you can come at the problems that you're solving to ensure that when you launch your product, you have a huge success. And so when you're looking at your idea and you're ready to write a feature list, that's okay. Get it out of your head, write down your feature list, hang it on the wall. But don't stop there and don't go and build out that feature list. The first thing you want to do is validate that feature list to understand who needs this and why. Are those the right things that they need? How are they different from what I need? Where am I too close to this? And if there's nobody in the market doing what you're doing now, how are they solving that problem now? Because the biggest factor in people not buying your product or not signing up for your service or whatever your idea is, or not going to your webpage, is not competitors, someone else doing the same thing. It's inertia, doing nothing, just doing the things that they've always done the same way they've always done them. And so as you're thinking about your idea, don't get caught up in the, oh, no one's in the market doing this right now. Remember that the easiest thing for people to do is nothing. And so your idea might be great and might solve some of the problems. But if people don't think so, or if the way they're doing it is good enough, then they're not going to try your new thing, whatever the thing is, and however great it might be. And so join me over the next 30 days. We'll be talking about the different things you can do and the different ways that you can set yourself and your idea up for real success. And you won't need to rely on James Earl Jones giving you a mandate to go and build it so people will come. So I hope you'll join me. And if you have any questions and you have an idea that you're just starting up, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to answer them over the course of my video series, and hopefully you'll be able to take away a lot of real value. I hope to talk to you soon.